This presence of the Omicron variant, what is telling the world is that the virus is not over yet, that the virus is here to stay until further notice. And that is not true the predictions that we are close to the end of this virus, of this pandemic. That is necessary to combine preventive health biosecurity measures, the mass vaccination, with the scientific research in search of solutions and treatments for this virus, which has had so many variants. This Omicron variant has dozens of mutations, which makes it more contagious. So far, the studies that have been carried out in the world, this variant is not more lethal, but being more contagious, the phenomenon is increasing. So we see in Spain, in Italy, in Germany, in France, in the United States, thousands and thousands of cases. In the United States, there were 250,000 cases in one single day. In Spain, there were 1,400 cases per 100,000 inhabitants. It means 100 cases per day. 100,000 cases per day. We have made a great effort with a lot of discipline, with a lot of leadership, with a lot of leadership from the revolution, from the public health system. We have with our doctors, with our nurses, from which we call the mission Barrio Adentro 100% health, with a lot of leadership from the Bolivarian government being present and guiding the people. The key element in prevention is the awareness, is the education of the people. If people are motivated, if people are alert, well informed, people take care of themselves. If you really give people good reasons on a permanent basis to take care of themselves, the result is that the people tend to take their biosecurity measures and not to neglect them. We have had a method since 2020, and this year practically all year round, which practically lifted in the month of November, which is the 7+7 method, as we call it, and it allows us to write the time of this year 2021. In this year, the Brazilian variants arrived here, the two Brazilian variants, the Delta variant arrived, which were more lethal, and all of them came and entered through Colombia and Brazil. And now we have just detected the Omicron variant. And we have maintained in relation to the world, especially what they call the developed world, the United States, Europe, and those countries, in relation to the number of infections and deaths and the percentage they have. Venezuela has had an example control over the pandemic.